Welcome, beauty enthusiasts. Today we are introducing a game changer in skincare, the new Mary Kay Mineral Facial Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This isn't just about sun protection, it's about maintaining a healthy, radiant complexion every day. Sunscreen plays a crucial role in our skincare regimen, and this new offering from Mary Kay has truly raised the bar. This mineral sunscreen, with its broad spectrum and SPF 30 rating, is your secret weapon against the harmful UVA and UVB rays. And the best part? It's suitable for all skin types, including the most sensitive ones. Whether you're stepping out in the sun or staying indoors, your skin is constantly exposed to damaging rays that can penetrate home and car windows, and even electronic devices that emit harmful blue light. This is not just another sunscreen, it's your daily shield against harmful UVA and UVB rays, and it's perfect for any skin type. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about a mineral sunscreen? Let's dive in. You see, there are two main types of sunscreens, chemical and mineral. Chemical sunscreens work by absorbing the sun's rays, while mineral sunscreens, like our Mary Kay Mineral Facial Sunscreen, reflect them. The key difference? Mineral sunscreens start protecting your skin the second they're applied, no waiting necessary. Plus, they're much gentler on the skin, making them a great choice for everyone, especially those with sensitive complexions. But there's more. Our mineral sunscreen is powered by zinc oxide, a natural active ingredient that provides broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays. This means it safeguards your skin from sunburn and long-term sun damage alike. So, with our mineral sunscreen, you can bid farewell to irritating sunburns and say hello to healthier, glowing skin. Now that we've covered the basics, how about we go over how to use this wonderful product? Each morning, after moisturizing your skin and applying your eye cream, it's time for the star of the show. Apply the Mary Kay Mineral Facial Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 evenly to your face, neck, chest, and backs of your hands, and anywhere your skin is likely to receive sun exposure. Yes, even when you're staying indoors, damaging rays can penetrate home and car windows, and electronic devices expose skin daily to harmful blue light. Planning a day outdoors? Remember to reapply every 2 hours, and even more frequently if you're swimming or sweating. This is the essential last step to your skincare routine, a dose of gentle and effective sun care. And that's it. It's so simple, yet the results are incredibly rewarding. To wrap things up, we have an exciting offer for you. Picture a world of luxury beauty, an experience tailored to your unique skincare needs. This isn't just about products, it's about a holistic approach to beauty that embraces both science and nature. Welcome to the ultimate luxury beauty experience. With us, you'll stay in the vanguard of Mary Kay skincare, always updated on the newest releases and the finest formulas. But that's not all. As part of our exclusive online community, you'll have access to special offers that aren't available anywhere else. Think of it as your no FOMO pass to the world of Mary Kay. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just starting on your journey, our community is here to support and inspire you. So don't miss out. Click on the links in the description below and join the ultimate luxury beauty experience today. Here's to radiant, protected skin.